Hi, I'm Amy Radue, the Director of Risk Management here at UFS, the technology outfitter for community banks, here to share tips to help lower your bank's risk of a dreadful cyber attack. Today's tip is tabletop testing. And what do we mean by tabletop testing? What we're looking for here is that we have our incident response plan, our business continuity plan, and that we're actually running through those with our team members to make sure we've validated the processes and that we have awareness of our team. It's so important that in a moment of crisis or a moment of panic that maybe one of these events would cause, that we've got some default muscle memory to fall back on, and tabletop testing gives us that. Make sure that we're updating our policies and our processes and our plans, and then go ahead and involve all of your team members that would need to be a part of these tabletop tests and run through the incident, read through it, plan, have people come up with things that could go wrong or things we didn't think of, and make that plan even better. For more information on how to step up your cybersecurity game, contact us. Thank you and have a cyber safe day.